sinokubwira abantu benshi bapfuye
izi ntambara zizashira zizashira.
I always ask myself, how can I serve the world better? But when I remember the word humanity, I get an answer. But not very long, we are called humans but not humanity. Instead of needing to express, you are just impressing. What kind of the world we live in? Please can someone explain? People have changed a lot. People have changed a lot. Now, no one can turn my own to around my being into better my life into like my future. But many times, my lane to pain, my up to down, my need to news, my hope into hopeless. Some people cry and beg to live, but the cries are ignored. How did have been spread among the world, but have spread as a lane. This is beyond horrific. This is beyond terrific. And that's turning our world into worse. That's what's make my fear come near and scare me. Then life and the suffering, hesitation, devastation, question and restless pain or pressure me. But just for peace of mind, all lives matter. Trust me, there is a faith in humanity. Mr. Race in that race of racism competition. Is that humanity? Please can someone explain? Racism is running deep. The problem is the people who are responsible to respect human rights are disrespecting human rights. No sitting on the fence. Don't you get it? No sitting on the fence. You're killing the life of people that are supposed to protect just because they're skin color. Get it? You signed up for that job. Yes, it's your damn duty. So why don't you? Why don't you respect human rights? Why don't you respect your duty? Don't get me wrong, because no matter the skin color that you have, no color that allows you to spread peace and love in the society. Enough is enough. Our cries over the years must be heard and must end. Listen to Mandela's story. Her thought has to do, to be, to sacrifice, to live, and sometimes to die. Just for freedom and humanity. So let's be good humans. Let's wake up. My dearest remain of the jury. Let's wake up. Hey, you, let's wake up. Yes, it's our damn duty to wake up for change. We have a voice of our own, and our voice must be heard. Trust me, we are humans with better future. So sad and so true. How can we humans be so cruel? We humans need a hand up, not a handout. We see each other as the same image. Get it? We are stronger than we know. We have won every fight the world has thrown to us, so we can win even the things that's turning our world into worse. Doesn't this sound better when we put the things aside? Please can someone tell me? We humans need to go back to the source called humanity. We humans need to go back to the source called humanity. Let's move forward to the ocean of one love. Because me and you, together we can.
Enough is enough. Our cry is over. Let us move forward to the ocean of one love. Cause me and you together can. Cause we are key for change.
God bless the man who treats another man's child like his own. Peace.